true art form that's being lost, how to spoke a wheel and how to get the tensions correct. If you look below, you'll see his fingers running against the side of the rim, check the straightness as he spins it. I've tried to do this and all I ended up with was a wave washer instead of a wheel. The wheel was never usable again. Looking for a place that contacts or doesn't contact, then adjusts the spokes to suit. Adjusts the spokes on the far side if it contacts to pull it away, and loosen the spokes on the contact side to allow it to move back, which sounds nice and easy, but it's not.
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, कल्लू भाई रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं आज ही कल्लू भाई गाना मारेंगे। बहुत टाइम लगता है।
This is, in my opinion, other than chassis or frame welding, this is the single hardest job on a bicycle. The measure of a craftsman. I'm Australian. Announcing that wheel done.